Welcome back, fellow collectors. Tonight we're on the hunt for a Don Mattingly rookie card. Never opened a pack of either of these, but tonight we're going to go with the Fleer. 1984 Fleer. The thrill of the hunt. Donnie Baseball. That's who we're looking for here. Let's see, we got ourselves a Detroit Tigers sticker. Pete O'Brien. Bruce Bereni. Bo Diaz, now that's a mustache. Terry Harper. Jerry Augustine, he looks sleepy. Dickie Knowles. Mike Brown. Terry Kennedy. Ron Kittle, he was a Yankee at some point. George Frazier, hell of a mustache. Boggs, Wade Boggs. You won't find many ball players sporting a better mustache than Boggsy. He's going on display. Rafael Ramirez. Darrell Evans. Ron Davis. And finally, nice, we got Dennis Eckersley. Great pitcher, great mustache. And for my choice card of the pack, easy choice here, Wade Boggs. Fond memories of Boggsy riding that horse after the '96 World Series. Boggs. Wade Boggs. Who's your choice card of the pack? Let me know. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and have a wonderful night. Catch you next time with those 84 Donruss.